Advantages of short-term business loans. The main advantage of opting for a short-term business loan is that you know your business will only have to make repayments for a limited period of time. You will also usually pay less interest overall than if you opted to repay what you owe over a much longer term, such as 5 years. Disadvantages of a short-term business loans. Choosing to take out a short-term business loan may mean that you will be able to pay off what you owe quickly, but bear in mind that your repayments will be much higher than if you opted to repay your loan over a medium or long-term period. Interest rates can be very high on short-term borrowing, so it's worth comparing lots of different loans to ensure you find the right deal for your business's needs. What else you need to know? Difficult economic conditions in recent years have made it harder for businesses to borrow money. To apply for a business loan, your business may be required to have a minimum monthly turnover, and you may have to show a set number of accounts, usually 2 or more years. Remember too that the actual rate of interest you will be charged on a short-term business loan will depend on your business's individual circumstances, the amount you want to borrow, and over what period you intend to pay off what you owe. Alternatives to a short-term business loan. If you don't think your business will be able to pay off any borrowing over a year or less, then you might want to consider a medium or long-term business loan which can be repaid more slowly. Other options include using a business credit card for any immediate expenses. These can also be a useful way to manage staff spending. You could also speak to the provider of your business bank account about arranging a business overdraft which can provide you access to funds as and when you need them. You can usually arrange an overdraft for a 12-month period, at which point it will have to be renewed. If you would like to get pre-qualified in minutes, funded in 24 to 48 hours with no out-of-pocket expense for a short-term business loan, click the "Click Here" link in the description.